Unit 10 Food Safety. Read the passage. All living things need food. Plants need food, animals need food, and human beings also need food. But, what is food? What do we need food for? What kind of food is good for us? What kind of food is not good for us? What is food safety? Read on to find the answers to those vital questions. What is food? Food is something we eat or drink. Rice is food. Milk is food. Bread is food. Butter, cheese, vegetables, beef, mutton, fish, fruits are all food. In fact, water too is food. What do we need food for? We need food mainly for health, energy and growth. Our body needs a daily supply of starch, sugar, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. All these can be found in the food we eat. Rice, wheat, potatoes, eggs, chicken, beef, mutton, fish, vegetables and fruits contain one or more of those. Sometimes, however, we eat or drink something, not for our health, but just for the pleasure of enjoying the taste of something such as ice cream, cake, peanuts, or popcorn. The more active we are, the more food we need. What kind of food is good for us? Fresh fruits and vegetables are good for us because they contain vitamins and minerals. Eggs, milk, cheese, fish, chicken, beef, and mutton are good for us because they contain proteins. Rice, bread, and potatoes give us carbohydrate for the starch and sugar we need for our daily activities. One thing we need to be careful about is that we should never eat more than we need. After all, too much of anything is not good. All doctors advise us to have a balanced diet. A balanced diet is a combination of the correct types and amounts of food. If we have a balanced diet, we will get the right amount of vitamins and minerals for each day. What kind of food is not good for us? Any fruit or vegetable that is not fresh is not good for us. Any fish or meat that is not fresh is not good for us. Any vegetable or meat that is not well cooked is not good for us. Too much of one kind of food is not good for us. Generally speaking, any food that makes us sick is not good for us. For example, certain mushrooms and certain types of seafood can make us sick. That is, they make us vomit after eating them, and in certain cases, can make us break out in rash. This is commonly known as food allergy. In some cases, a wrong combination of food can cause food poisoning and even death. Moreover, many preserved foods such as corned beef, canned sardines, tuna, sausages are not advisable. So are artificially flavored fruit juices. All those canned fish or meat and flavored fruit juices contain additives and colorants, which are chemicals that can be harmful to our health. Furthermore, many farmers today use chemical fertilizers and pesticides for good reasons, but in most cases, such fertilizers and pesticides are overused. As a result, the vegetables and fruits we eat can contain traces of fertilizers and pesticides. All these are harmful to health. What is food safety? Food safety means food that is safe to eat, food that will not be harmful to our health. This means that food, right from its production to our dining table, must be hygienically handled. This means that the vegetables and fruits we buy should not only be fresh but also free of traces of fertilizers and pesticides. Similarly, the meat we buy should never be from diseased animals. Canned meat, fish, fruit, and vegetables, as well as flavored fruit juices, should contain as little additives and colorants as possible. Many countries have a department known as Food and Drug Administration, FDA. The department is responsible for the safety of food and drug in the country. Nevertheless, we ourselves must do our best to look after our own safety by having only fresh fruits and vegetables, only well-cooked meat or fish, and a balanced diet.